is a used 2008 Audi A8. It's powered by all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, leather seats, heated rear seats, a HomeLink system, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, memory seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Billy Howell Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1805 Atlanta Highway, Cumming, Georgia 30040.